Hey guys, we're live at 9:38 p.m. Eastern Time here on a Saturday night in Pennsylvania, and we're running a mini for Gary's Luke Ponch. I got 36 spots. I'm going to copy here in just a second as soon as we go over what we're playing for. Mini top 3. Looks like the top 3 win spots in the main. I'm going to copy my list. I'm going to paste it over here. 36 spots is nice. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, folks. As we get down to it. CJ takes round 1. Chris 2. Joe in the top spot for round 3. Chris again on top. Chris running. Joe in a 2-horse race. Chris Keister in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 7. Bringing us, if I get to the bottom, to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Our winners are Chris and Joe. Dominate the top several spots there. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. ZDT or YV is our verification code. As I scroll back down, there's the official results. Christopher and Joe, take it. I'm done at 9:40. As you can see, right here. 9:40. 9:40. One last time. Here they are, our victors. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.